Hey, Jack here. Did you know what copywriting AI tool is? Do you know that there are so many types of copywriting AI tools available in the market? So in this video, what I'm going to do is to show you a very interesting situation that I've got, because here's one thing. I was bombarded with a number of marketers who are promoting another copywriting tool. So if you have been following my channel, so if you are stumbled upon this video, probably is either YouTube actually give you a hint that you can come to my channel to check out Jarvis, copywriting AI tool that I've been using for more than more than 1 month. And you know what? There are other copywriting AI tools around. So I'm not here saying that Jarvis is the best or other sucks. No, I'm not making that comparison. What I'm doing is that I want to use another way to objectively making sure that you get the right information. So this is the purpose of this video. So let me explain part of the concerns about Jarvis, because I actually have talked to a number of the followers in my circle, and what happened is that people said, wow, Jarvis, expensive. Like, this is the number one objection that I got from people in my circle. Now, there are two things you need to understand. Number one is when you are looking at a particular investment, like in Jarvis case, this is actually from Jarvis. It is the latest information that I've got. So today the video was recorded on 11 September, and this is the information you can see directly from Jarvis website. So you've got starter, a pro, and boss mode. Okay, so I want you to pay attention to boss mode, because boss mode was introduced not long ago, and it is the most powerful package when it comes to the free packages that you can see in Jarvis. Okay, so people start with $29, $109, or $119, which is the boss mode. You just need to understand this. Of course, the first thing is that if your budget permits, you can actually opt for buy 10 months, get 2 months free, which means you pay one fixed sum upfront, you get 2 months free. So some people say, I just want to pay monthly. Okay, that's fine. So let's just do the monthly and check this out. Number one, you notice that when you pay $29, it doesn't sound like a lot, right? However, you've only got 20,000 words. I can tell you from my experience in working on Jarvis, I can churn out 20,000 words easily in one single day. As of now, based on the record that I've gotten yesterday, I've already in 5 weeks churned out, or asked Jarvis to churn out 270,000 words. Okay, so I'm way beyond starter. Okay, so I want you to understand that when you are getting starter, which is $29 a month US, you get 20,000 words. Now, how much are you talking about in terms of 20,000 words? Like, what do you mean by 20,000 words? So let's say you are writing a blog. So I use Jarvis to create long form articles, and I can easily tell you that it is just like 5 or 7 articles a month, you are done. Okay, it's not 20,000 words seems a lot. Actually, it's not a lot. So part of the deal, when I'm asking my followers to consider, I would say that, hey, you know what, 20,000 is a good start. And if you would like to check out the free trial, you can actually check my subscription, because I do have a free trial link below. So if you want to check out, have a taste of the first 10,000 words, you by all means go for that. Okay, that being said, people would then ask, okay, so if I want more words, what can I do? So here is one thing called the Pro. Pro used to be 40,000 words, if I'm not wrong. So you can see that Pro, as of September 11, it is now unlimited words, which is very important, because especially when you're writing long form articles, copies, even doing a lenders, you understand that unlimited words is very important. So I want you to pay attention to that. So what you can do is that you can write long form content, which is very important. The reason why you want to get a package that has unlimited words is because of this long form content. Like, let's say you are not writing long form, you are saying, oh, you know what, I just want something called blog posts, short upload, social media posts, Facebook ad. That's fine, $109. I'm okay with that. So what you get actually very interesting features, long form. You get word-based document. Don't worry about this. Long form is the most important one, by the way. And then you can see that you can actually add team members to your package. Okay, so what Jarvis does is that they will charge based on per user. So for Pro is $40 per user, and you got unlimited project folders. So what is unlimited project folders? Suppose you are on the agency mode, you are actually an agency and you're helping clients, different clients, let's say 10, 20, 30 clients to write their copies. So all you can do is you can create different folders for different clients so that you can segment it, organize your copies based on different clients. So if you are a business owner, what can you do with this project folder? Well, you may have different topics, different campaign. Same thing, you can create multiple folders for that reason. It just helps you to be a better organizer, so to speak. Okay. So Jarvis actually supports 25 languages based on the Pro mode. What I'm saying is that recently Jarvis has upgraded in terms of the language capability. So I have actually another post somewhere on my Facebook or even my Instagram, and I said that well, Jarvis actually is able to create a Chinese long form articles for me. Now I'm not here saying that it translates perfectly. As a native Chinese speaker, I can tell you that it is good. It still requires a form of editing. So I would say that this is a good start. Let Jarvis become better and better. Okay, so you will see anyway, yes, chat support. There's a 35,000 members community on Facebook group. Like I'm flooded with a lot of Facebook posts in the Jarvis community every single day. There are people who are adding values. There are people who are asking questions. So I'm not going into that. I just want you to pay attention to $109 a month. Now you think $109 a month is a lot. I want you to ask yourself this question: long form content. How many pieces of content would you create every month? Okay, so if you say that well, I only create maybe 5 posts a month, then 109 seems to be very expensive. Okay, however, if you think that wow, I'm creating a lot of articles, like I have written so far 40 articles in 5 weeks, I can tell you I can't have started. I will be out of the game straight away. Okay, so now let's move on to this pricing package, which is very interesting. If you're a marketer, you know where I'm getting at that, because this is 109 is actually something called the package B, which is the illusion package or delusional package, because by paying $10 more a month, like $10 is just like maybe 2 cups of Starbucks coffee, okay, or maybe 10 cups of local coffee in Singapore. So that doesn't matter to me. All I'm saying is that Boss More $119 a month, what you can get is a look back of 2,000 to 3,000 characters. So what it means is that Jarvis is able to look back how many words created in the past by him and come up with additional words. So Jarvis has the capability of looking back what you have written, what he has written, and in the boss mode is 2,000 to 3,000 character. For Pro is not that. Pro, that is a look back, but the look back is just maybe 200 to 300 words or characters. Okay, so it's a lot more powerful. Unlimited runs, Jarvis command. These are all the AI capability. So for example, you can actually ask Jarvis, write a paragraph below about XYZ. The tone should be friendly and professional, and you will see what Jarvis does for you. As a result, Jarvis will just create something. And one thing I know is that, let's be fair here, Jarvis is not going to give you the perfect copy first time out of the gate. You got to train Jarvis so that Jarvis get used to your writing style or your command, your preference. So there are some form of trainings required to Jarvis. So let me be frank on that. Now you'll see that the key thing is that you have got unlimited words, same as the Pro version, and most importantly, you do see at the bottom there are 50 short form copywriting template, which is what the Pro package you'll get as well. One thing I love is the fact that Jarvis has something called the look back feature, the unlimited runs, the Jarvis command, which you don't see that in promo. So on the pro package, you can see by paying $10 more, you get something that may make a huge difference in your copy. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so let's say now you decide to go for boss mode. In fact, I will tell you 99% of the people who are on Jarvis, it's only because they may have budget constraint. Okay, every single one, 99% will go for boss mode. That is no brainer. Okay, so let's talk about this. $119. Okay, I have a calculator in front of me. I hope you can see that. Times 12, you pay $1,420 a year. Okay, so I'm not even asking you to consider the annual plan. The annual plan, of course, by doing this, is $99 a month, or maybe I would call it like, how much is that? Let me just do it again. 99 times 12, and actually $99. You bill annually, so it's 1188. So you do get about $200-300 lower if you decide to pay annual. Now, here's one thing I want you to consider, because as I said at the beginning of the video, I was bombarded recently with another copywriting AI tool. Now, it's just to be fair to say that the tool that I'm talking about is Copyblocks. Okay, Copyblocks is what we call a very, very interesting, like this is actually one of those earliest copywriting AI tools that I stumbled upon, and I do know that a couple of the marketers are currently promoting this. They promoted one time last month, so this is another round of campaign. So before I subscribed to Jarvis, I was saying, wow, that's cool, man. It's got, like, because the thing is that how you make the decision to purchase something, number one, you know that this is a front end, and therefore it's not going to be like $119 a month out of the gate. Like that is the concept you need to understand. So let me just go down. I want you to just look at the pricing. So of course, if you can't wait, you see that the price is actually, the investment is $37 a month. Sorry, I beg your pardon. $37 one-time fee. Now, in your mind, you will say Jarvis is 1,400 something. Okay, let's just put it as 1,500. 1,500 a year versus $37 one-time fee. So immediately you ask yourself, wow, that means Copyblocks AI is a no-brainer. Okay, so when I ask you to make that decision, I want you to look at the website, the landing, and just to make sure that you understand the comparison. Okay, the $37 one time. So here is one thing. Of course, Copyblocks have a personal and a commercial. I'm not affiliate, by the way, I'm not an affiliate of Copyblocks. So I'm not here selling you that. I'm on Jarvis. So if you're interested in subscribing Jarvis, especially the free trial, or even go ahead and subscribe as a user, my link is actually in the description. So I'm actually a promoter and affiliate marketers for Jarvis. Okay, I'm not here screwing Copyblocks. No, I'm not. I don't have the intention. I'm just saying that let's be fair to compare Apple with Apple. Okay, so I want you to pay attention to what Copyblocks commercial license, which is offering at $37 one-time fee right now. Okay, so it has got a lot of features which I like. Like if I don't have Jarvis, I may go ahead and go for commercial. But one thing that's stuck in my mind is that I've got 20 projects. Oh, sorry, there's a sound here. Okay, let me just reload it so that the video will not play on its own. So you got 20 projects. Okay, you got 40,000 credits to write. Okay, so now you need to understand, like it has other features which are similar to Jarvis, but I'm actually looking at the 20 projects and 40,000 credits to write. It is one-time fee 37. So I'm looking at the FAQ, and you do see that, like you see the way I'm wired to make an investment decision is that I like to look for all this information, partly because I'm legally trained. I like to look at the fine prints. I like to look at the conditions. So I'm paying attention to the package features, not so much about the benefits now, and then FAQ. So FAQ says that with 40,000 credits, you can write 500 ads. And of course, you can actually pay for more credits. So you do see that, oh my God, there is an additional charge if you are writing more. So of course, on this page, you won't know how much it is. You got to ask them how much are you talking about. So I want you to pay attention to this. $37 one-time fee allows you to have 40,000 credits, probably 500 ads. That is what they said. Okay, I don't know exactly how lengthy is this ad, because in case you're running long form ad, good luck. Okay, so that's it. On the other hand, I want you to go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. So I'm actually asking you to go up. So I'm going up, you don't need to. So I love the fact that they are actually giving you these trainings as part of the package, which if you are saying that, well, if I paid $37 to get these additional trainings just to have a different perspective of how to use copywriting AI, maybe it's worth. Okay, so you see that I am looking for this additional. But if I going back to the comparison, so in this particular lender, they make a comparison amongst other copywriters AI tool. You have got Copymatic, copy.ai, conversion.ai. I'm not a user of Copymatic, I'm not a user of copy.ai at this point. I'm a conversion.ai, which was the former name of Jarvis. Okay, so now let's compare. Copyblocks has all these features. Obviously, as a marketer, you know that whatever you got, you list down all the features, okay, and you say that I've got this, the rest don't have all. Same, this typical marketing thing. So I'm not teaching marketing, I'm just asking you to pay attention to conversion.ai. So conversion.ai has a lot of things except this few. Number one, AI training. Conversion.ai or Jarvis AI actually got training. When you say AI training, the algorithm of Jarvis actually is training Jarvis to learn your writing style every single day. And Jarvis, by the way, has just revamped the AI algorithm to make it even better. So I personally have witnessed over the last 2 weeks, the AI contents that came up with Jarvis is actually getting better. So I just have to pay attention to that. I want you to pay attention to that. 100+ languages. Although Copyblocks offer 100+ languages. Now let me be frank with you. Jarvis right now can offer 25, but are you writing all 100 copies? Are you writing copies in 100 languages? That's the question you need to ask. So for me, because I'm a native Chinese, so Chinese is essential, English of course, and I primarily write in English. So do I really see that as a fair comparison? Okay, it depends on how you term it. Commercial license, copywriting agency training, private Skype mentorship. Now let me ask you this. This is the reason why Copyblocks bonuses that comes with these additional trainings is actually quite worth. Because frankly, in Jarvis, you can't get private mentorship. There's no one-on-one Zoom call, right? Of course, at the end of the day, you've got to ask yourself this question: do I need this? Like, if you're already experienced marketers, like, I don't even know why you should be coming to this. Like, you are likely a copywriter, you are likely a marketer, you are likely using your fingers to write copies or to type copies without knowing that the AI can actually do a better job, more effectively and efficiently. So you might be looking at this right now, and then you ask yourself, $37. It's not 47 because, as you see just now, it's 37 commercial license. I want you to ask yourself, would I pay 47 one time to get this additional training because I don't get it directly from Jarvis? Because Jarvis doesn't provide private Skype mentorship. Jarvis doesn't have this thing called a weekly coaching or bi-weekly coaching. Okay, Jarvis have training videos. They have actually launched something called Bootcamp, which is part and parcel of the certification process. So Jarvis actually offers certification process. and I'm a Jarvis certified professional. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that I'm a Jarvis certified professional. So I would say that it is not a very comprehensive comparison because of certain inaccuracy of the information. Or I would say that like conversion.ai, now Jarvis, has upgraded, has improved its package. So I want you to actually pay attention to that and ask yourself, $47 or $37 one-time fee, would I actually get Copyblocks.ai because I can write I have 40,000 credit and get these additional, or I'll go for Jarvis, the boss mode is 1090 a year. Well, if you pay on annual, yes, it is actually about that. Okay, so my question for you at this point, I'm now into like 20 minutes of this video. I want you to ask yourself this question: do I want to go cheap because I'm having a budget constraint, or do you go higher thinking that, okay, as a result of getting a powerful AI, I give myself permission and I'm committed to improving my skill to write copies for other people, so that 1090 is no longer a concern? Because honestly, if you are diligent enough, let's say you just offer your service on Fiverr or Upwork, like, yes, you will need a number of jobs or projects to get back your investment. Well, there's still a way. Like my friends are actually writing copies for other people, email copies, charging $20, $30, $40, $60. I mean, you can go to that path, not a problem. So the thing you ask yourself is that if you are spending that amount of money a year, how are you getting back? Like, you don't want to spend the money and do nothing. Like, the last thing I want you to click my link and to subscribe to Jarvis is that I just have acquired another tool, and you use it, you actually don't use it. Like, please, if you are that kind of people, please do not click my link. I don't want to, because that is just like, why do you want to make Jarvis rich for that reason? Okay, so get it clear. So I would say that it's fair to get Copyblocks. Okay, Copyblocks is fair to get Copyblocks because of these additional trainings, which you don't get it from Jarvis. However, if you're serious in creating a business for yourself, either as a copywriter or a copywriting consultant, or if you're already a business owner, you want to use an AI tool to create sales pages, lander, any form of social media post with unlimited words capacity, then I'll seriously want you to consider going for the boss mode Jarvis. Because quite frankly, if you even can't afford $120 a month in your business, something is wrong. Something is wrong with your business model. Okay, so I just want to end the video here to say that while I am a Jarvis user on boss mode, I'm paying $119 a month, no problem, because I can. However, I won't want you to go for Copyblocks just thinking that your only investment is $37 and you can create a lot of copies. That's not true. However, I like Copyblocks for only one reason, that is these additional trainings that you don't get from Jarvis. Like, Jarvis is like DIY mode, or you can ask questions on the Facebook group, and probably some experienced users, or they call it experts, will come and help you. But you know what? They won't be helping you one-on-one, because you know what we're doing, right? If it is one-on-one, then obviously you do know that there will be additional charge. However, these are what we call additional bonuses. By subscribing to Copyblocks, and you'll get something in addition to what you get on Jarvis. So final word to conclude this video, I know it's pretty long already. Go for Jarvis if you're serious about creating a business or helping your business to make it better. Go for it. Okay, the link is once again is on my description. I will appreciate that you check out my link and see whether you want to be part of our Jarvis community. Okay, so that's conclusion number one. Conclusion number two, if you do want to get additional training, okay, like the mind mentorship, the webinar, coaching, yes, this offer for $37 is actually quite worth it. So go for it. Okay, so with that ends my video. And once again, if you like what I share, please actually comment below and let me know. Like if you have any questions about Jarvis, I'll do my best, I'll do my best to answer a question based on what I know. I'm a user for 5 weeks only, so I only know 5 weeks of knowledge in Jarvis. So let me be frank on this. And one final thing is that if you love this Jarvis, make sure you also check other videos on my Jarvis channel, because I have actually created a few videos sharing with you how I use Jarvis to create long form content. So if you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out my Jarvis channel, and I look forward to seeing you again on my channel. Wong here signing off, and all good wishes.